In this Moodle moment, I will explain how to create a PDF from a Word document, how to upload a single file to Moodle, and how to create a folder and upload multiple files to that folder within Moodle. So firstly, how to create a PDF. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF from a Word document. I'm just browsing to my Word document, which I already have created. It's called How to Create a PDF from a Word Document. So there it is in Word, already saved. Now I'm going to save it as a PDF, so click on File, Save As, and in the drop-down menu this time, click on PDF. Save it into the same area. Close, and I'll close that. Save it. So there's the PDF of that one there. I'm going to open that up, and that's a PDF. So PDF stands for Portable Document Format, which enables the file to be opened if the computer has Adobe Reader installed. This can be easily downloaded and it's free. So PDF standardizes documents so that they appear exactly the same no matter what operating system or version of Word is being used. So you can be sure that every person who opens the document will get exactly the same document. And that's how to save a file as a PDF. Now I will explain how to upload a single file to Moodle. Open up your browser, and you can either go through the main BCFE website and click on Moodle there. Alternatively, you can just type in this address here, vle.bcfe.ie. Okay, so now I'm going to log in. Browse to my course. You'll be doing exactly the same as this. My course is called Moodle Moments. And now I want to turn editing on to add my files. One of the first things I like to do is to change it from topic 1, 2, 3, 4, or it could be in weekly format, but I like to change this so that you know exactly what your headline should be. So if you untick use default section name, and that means then you can type in your heading exactly. Uploading single files. So I'm calling this uploading single files. Save changes. And you see the topic is uploading single files. So the next thing you need to do is click on add a resource and go down to file. You need to put in a name for the file, and I usually copy that and paste that into the description as well. The description is obligatory, and you can click on this box here if you want display description on course page. That's your choice. Then in the content section you click on add, and you need to browse to your file. So choose a file. I'm going to browse to my file, and these are uploading files and folders, and it's a Word document that I'm uploading, and click on upload this file. So in this display section, the options box and the display section, I just click on open for a Word document. When you've finished all this, click on save and return to course. And there you can see your document there. I'm going to actually add another one. This is a file, and this time I'm going to add a PDF one. I'm going to just call it PDF so we know it's different. Then we click on add, choose a file, uploading files and folders, open that and upload this file. Now this time I will set it to open up in a pop-up, and you'll see the difference in a moment. So save and return to course. Then I'm going to turn editing off. There's your uploading single files. There's your uploading single file Word document and uploading single files PDF. I didn't have to say it was PDF because it actually has that logo there. But anyhow, so I'm going to open up uploading the single file. And you can see down the bottom here, it actually downloads it. So I can double click on it then, and it will open up there. If you want to edit it, you click on enable editing, and then just come on my other screen. You can edit it then. So I'm going to close that. Then I'm going to go uploading single files PDF. I'm going to open that one, so double click on that, and you see that it opens up in a pop-up window, and you can make that bigger or smaller as you wish, and scroll down. And this is the one that is not editable by the people who view it, and that it will be exactly the same for everybody who sees it. Whereas with a Word document, it's easy for a person to edit it. So it depends on what you want. Now I will explain how to create a folder and upload multiple files to that folder. So here I am in my course, and I still have editing turned on. And again, I want to change topic 2 to exactly what I want to say. So untick this box. Then I'm going to call it creating folders. Save the changes. There's creating folders. So click on add a resource folder. Call it creating folders. Copy that, paste it in there. So I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to call it months of the year. Click on create folder. Double click on the folder, and it says here you can drag and drop files to add them here. Now I'm going to browse on my computer to where my folder is, and there is my folder, Moodle uploading multiple files, and I just have folders in here called the months of the year. So click on the first one at the top of the list, hold down your shift key and click on the bottom one at the end of the list, and then just that has the effect of highlighting them all. Then just click and drag them all in, and you can see that it's moving 10 documents into there, into the folder. And then click on save and return to course. I'm going to turn editing off and click on creating folders, and there you can see months of the year. Thank you for watching.